Alright, this is gonna be Ketchikan Reservoir drain number 2, or after we changed the oil, had it to the shop, etc, etc. I don't know if I'm seeing oil or undercoating on here. I did undercoat it. Let's get the drain. Yeah, we definitely got undercoat on my arm. Alright, I hope you guys can see. Well, it's milky. And it's, yeah, definitely a good
quarter of a
cup. Yeah, we're getting onto a cup. Way more than a cup. Oh my god, let's put a measuring cup on this. Oh, it's definitely a change from the past 2 years, where we would get about quarter of a cup of some milky goo. Now we're easily getting a cup or more on one trip of milky goo and some oil.